This is the world's first Nano Aquarium top filter bio. So this is proof of concept. Of course we have here the factory, but this is the top biofilter. It's open on the top, I'll show you later. And water is pumped up, goes here through the filter, and drops back down. Now, if there's any leaks, this is 3D printed, PLA. This is normally watertight. If there's any leaks, you can try and do coral fix glue on the bottom, smear it out, spread it on the bottom, and it will usually do the trick. But PLA with a good solid bottom should be watertight. So this is proof of concept. And we'll see how it works. The heater is in the biofilter. It's solid state here. 10 watt automatic shut off above 25 degrees. USB. The pump is USB. Everything will be USB as far as equipment is concerned. You can see it coming out. I don't know. Yep. Coming out there. And the benefit of this is there are no holes, there are no compartments. The black plastic covers in the corner I still have to remove. They're on the outside. I just want a standard cube. I don't want to drill any holes. And this is just a proof of concept. I will perfect this, but eventually I have done an invention that allows for a normal biofilter below the aquarium. And I've done an invention to get water down and only a pump on the sump as usual to pump it up. And I've done an invention to get the water over the edge with not the flow box or anything, without any holes. One pump direction, so the sump will pump it in here from the bottom as usual. That's my invention. And it will, anything that's pumped in here, it will throw back over the edge. But that is for later concern. It will take me a couple of months to perfect this, see how this works. But you can try it. And the benefit is if there's any leaks on your filter, it will just drop down in the aquarium, so no problem. That's the benefit of a top filter. So this was Print the World, and especially now, feel free to copy and approve if you can. Oh, try it one more time. If I can show this. The light is in the circle. Of course, the idea is that of course to have the filter go fully round. Now there are only 2 compartments. Light will be in the middle, 4 compartments all the way around, and that will be more than enough to really have a good biofilter. Very happy with this. Thank you. This was Print the World.